Ever tried explaining something to ChatGPT and thought, I wish I could just show the image? Good news, you can copy and paste images directly into ChatGPT and it's super easy. For example, let's take this beautiful table I just drew here on Paint, and I want to feed this into ChatGPT, but I don't want to have to explain everything from the columns and rows and the numbers and everything. So I could just save the image and then find it, go here, click on copy, or for ease of access, click on Ctrl and C, or if you're on Mac, click on Command and C. Now, go back to ChatGPT and either right click and then click paste, or simply click on Ctrl V or Command V. And it'll paste the image in here like so, and then you can expand with your prompt from that image to ChatGPT. You can also drag and drop an image straight into the chat box, which is even faster. On iPhone or Android, long press the image and tap copy. Open ChatGPT, long press inside the message field, tap paste and send it. If copy paste doesn't work, tap the image upload icon and select the photo manually. This works every time. Once uploaded, you can ask ChatGPT to explain, analyze, extract text, or fix anything in the image. Simple, fast, and extremely useful. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.